Hey everyone, and welcome. The world of banking is constantly evolving, and a new wave of technology is poised to transform how we manage our finances, Agentic AI. Imagine having intelligent digital assistants that can autonomously handle your banking tasks, make smart financial decisions, and even anticipate your needs. Today, we'll explore what Agentic AI in banking could look like and how it might revolutionize your financial life. What exactly is Agentic AI? Autonomous intelligence for your finances. Think of traditional banking apps as tools you control. Agentic AI in banking takes it a step further. It involves creating intelligent AI agents that can act independently on your behalf to manage your money. You set the goals, like saving for a down payment or optimizing your investments, and the AI agent can autonomously work towards achieving them, making decisions and taking actions as needed. How could Agentic AI transform banking? Imagine these scenarios. Personalized financial planning on autopilot. Imagine an AI agent that understands your financial goals, analyzes your spending habits, and automatically creates and adjusts a personalized savings and investment plan without constant manual input. Smart bill management. Tired of missing payment deadlines? An Agentic AI could track your bills, ensure timely payments, and even negotiate better rates on your behalf. Intelligent spending optimization. An AI agent could analyze your spending patterns and proactively suggest ways to save money, identify potential overspending, and even find better deals on products and services you regularly use. Autonomous investment management. For those who find investing complex, an Agentic AI could manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, making trades and rebalancing assets automatically. Proactive fraud detection and prevention. AI agents could continuously monitor your accounts for suspicious activity and take immediate action to prevent fraud, offering an extra layer of security. Seamless loan applications. Imagine an AI agent that automatically gathers the necessary information and completes loan applications on your behalf, streamlining the entire process. Personalized banking recommendations. Based on your financial situation and goals, an Agentic AI could proactively offer tailored recommendations for financial products and services that truly benefit you. 24/7 financial assistance. Unlike human advisors, AI agents can be available around the clock to answer your questions, provide insights, and manage your finances in real time. The benefits of Agentic AI in banking: increased convenience, automate tedious tasks and free up your time. Improved financial outcomes, benefit from intelligent, data-driven financial decisions. Personalized service, receive tailored advice and solutions based on your unique needs. Enhanced efficiency, streamline banking processes and reduce manual effort. Greater accessibility, make sophisticated financial management tools available to everyone. Potential challenges and considerations: trust and security. Entrusting your finances to AI requires robust security measures and building user trust. Transparency and explainability. Understanding how AI agents make financial decisions is crucial. Regulation and oversight. Clear guidelines and regulations will be needed to govern the use of Agentic AI in banking. Data privacy. Ensuring the security and privacy of your financial data is paramount. Potential for errors. While AI can reduce human error, it's not infallible, and safeguards are necessary. The future of banking: intelligent and autonomous. Agentic AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our banks and manage our money. By creating intelligent assistants that can act autonomously, we can move towards a future of more personalized, efficient, and potentially more successful financial management. Conclusion: your intelligent financial partner is on the horizon. The era of Agentic AI in banking is dawning. While there are challenges to address, the potential benefits for consumers are significant. Imagine a future where managing your finances is seamless, intelligent, and largely automated, thanks to your AI banking agent. Outro. How comfortable would you be with an AI agent managing your finances? What banking tasks would you be most eager to automate? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the future of finance and technology. Thanks for watching.